Welcome to Your Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most comprehensive insights into the world of drones. As technology continues to advance, the demand for high-quality 4K drones has skyrocketed. And today, we're thrilled to present the top 6 best 4K drones you can get your hands on this year. From breathtaking aerial photography to thrilling cinematic footage, these drones redefine the possibilities of aerial videography. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button to stay updated on all our future content. Let's embark on an exhilarating journey through the skies with these phenomenal drones. Strap in, folks, because we're starting off strong with the number 7 spot, the KF102 MAX GPS Drone. This beast boasts a 4K professional 8K HD camera, coupled with 5G Wi-Fi and a 2-axis gimbal for unparalleled stability during aerial photography sessions. Folding up neatly for easy transport, it's the perfect companion for adventurers on the go. The brushless motors offer a silent yet powerful flight, and its foldable design makes it a breeze to transport. Next up is the H5 Pro C MAX drone, a compact powerhouse that doesn't skimp on features. It's equipped with an 8K professional ESC camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV for live streaming your flights. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance system is a standout, allowing for smooth navigation around potential hazards. Its brushless motor ensures a robust performance, and the mini drone design means it can accompany you on all your adventures without taking up much space. Midway through our list is the L106 Pro drone. This device is a photographer's dream with its 5G Wi-Fi FPV capabilities and foldable GPS-assisted design. The 4K camera, supported by a 3-axis gimbal, guarantees professional-grade photos and videos. The brushless helicopters are not just toys, they're a testament to the drone's sophisticated design and functionality. Now, at number 4, we introduce the S138 Drone, a versatile gadget that features a 4K dual camera system with a wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes. Its obstacle avoidance capability and optical flow positioning system provide an extra layer of security and precision in flight. The brushless RC drone's foldable design is ideal for the on-the-go flyer, and its boy toy moniker suggests it's a fun addition to any collection. Moving on to the number 3 spot, we have the QJ New K 918 MAX GPS Drone boasting a 4K HD professional aerial camera and robust obstacle avoidance features. Its foldable design and impressive FPV distance of 1.2 kilometers make it an ideal choice for aerial enthusiasts of all levels and allowing you to explore the skies far and wide. Coming in hot at number 2, we've got the CSF F11S Pro Drone, a powerhouse of technology with its 4K professional camera, Wi-Fi GPS, and 2-axis anti-shake gimbal. Whether you're into FPV racing or cinematic aerial shots, this brushless quadcopter delivers in spades. The FPV brushless quadcopter design, coupled with the RC helicopter's capabilities, makes it a formidable player in the drone market. And finally, at number 1, we have the E99 Pro HD 4K drone. This compact yet mighty drone features a high hold mode that ensures stable hovering and precise aerial maneuvers. The foldable mini RC design, combined with Wi-Fi connectivity for aerial photography, makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. The Quadcopter Toys Helicopter UAV rounds out our list as a versatile and accessible option for capturing life from above.